How to convert CR2 to PNG, JPG, GIF in Windows. 1. Use a free desktop application to convert CR2 to other image formats offline, such as JC-Straw IES Converter. If wrong view, with plugin. XN Convert. Sage Thumbs. DGCam. 2. Use a free online tool to convert CR2 to PNG, JPG, GIF, etc., like Cloud Convert. 3. Convert CR2 images in Paint.net using an additional plugin, from https://forums.getpaint.net/topic/31998-raw-file type-2023-01-19.